Welcome to MTH Health. In today's video, we show you how to make a Brazilian wax at home. Whether it's your first time or you just want to improve your technique, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve smooth, hair-free skin safely and easily. Stick around for pro tips to minimize discomfort and ensure optimal results. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to MTH Health for more helpful beauty tips and tutorials. First things first, preparation. You will need the following items for your Brazilian wax. A waxing kit designed for sensitive areas, hard wax or sugar wax works best. Pre-wax oil or powder. Wax strips, if using strip wax. A clean towel. Aloe vera gel or soothing lotion for aftercare. Be sure to heat your wax to the correct temperature. It should be warm, not hot, with the consistency of honey. Always test a small amount on your wrist to avoid burns. Next, prepare your skin. The area should be clean and dry. Avoid lotions or oils before waxing. If you're concerned about moisture, sprinkle on a little baby powder to absorb it. This helps the wax stick to the hair, not the skin. Now it's time to apply the wax. Using your applicator stick, spread the wax in the direction of hair growth. Be sure to apply a thin, even layer of wax. For hard wax, let it cool until it hardens a bit. If you are using strip wax, press the strip down immediately after applying the wax. Remember, smaller sections are easier to administer and result in a cleaner, less painful wax. Once the wax hardens or the strip is ready, it's time to remove it. Hold your skin firmly with one hand and, with the other hand, apply the wax or strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. Do this quickly to reduce discomfort. Pro tip: avoid gentle stretching, as this can make the process more painful. A quick pull makes the hair clean. Continue this process throughout the area. Work in small sections to make sure the wax is applied evenly and that it stays at the right temperature for consistent results. Once you're done, it's time for aftercare. First, check for any stray hairs and remove them with tweezers if necessary. Then apply aloe vera gel or a post-wax soothing lotion to soothe the skin and reduce redness or irritation. Follow these tips to maintain your smooth skin. Avoid tight clothing and hot showers for the first 24 hours after waxing. 48 hours after your wax, start exfoliating 2-3 times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. Moisturize your skin daily to keep it soft and hydrated. Regular waxing every 3-4 weeks will help weaken hair regrowth over time. And there you have it. A complete, step-by-step guide to Brazilian waxes at home. With a little practice and the right technique, you'll be waxing like a pro in no time. Don't forget to follow these steps and take care of your skin afterwards for best results. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MTH Health for more beauty tips and self-care tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments.